welcome to US Healthcare Nurses. In this video, we're going to provide you with a basic walkthrough of how the US Healthcare Nurses App works. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and download the US Healthcare Nurses App. The next icon that you see on your app is the briefcase. When you are selected for the position by the agency, you will receive a notification that says you have been selected for the job. This briefcase icon allows you to see all of your jobs in one place. After you complete your assignment, you are able to rate your client. You are also able to provide feedback if you desire. Thank you so much for taking the time to allow us to introduce to you our exciting new platform, US Healthcare Nurses. We will be rolling out our platform to the other 49 states very soon. Stay tuned for more exciting videos and information regarding how you can become a part of the US Healthcare Nurses community.